Hello everyone, this is Sharam from Learnical. In this video series, we will delve into the fundamentals of industrial automation. We will explore the core concepts and technologies that underpin the automation of manufacturing processes. So, get ready to learn about the building blocks of industrial automation. In this short video, we will discuss what factory automation is, why it is important, and how it is implemented. Factory automation is the use of technologies to automate manufacturing processes. It's like having robots and machines take over repetitive tasks, making production more efficient and reliable. So why do we need factory automation? Well, it offers a host of benefits: increase efficiency, reduce costs, improve product quality, enhance safety, and consistent output. It's a win-win for businesses and consumers alike. To achieve factory automation, we rely on several key components. First, we have robots that can perform tasks with precision. Second, conveyors transport material efficiently. Third, PLCs, or Programmable Logic Controllers, serve as the brain of the operation, controlling a variety of devices. And finally, HMIs, or human-machine interfaces, provide a user-friendly way to monitor and control the automation system. Now let's look at some real-world examples of factory automation. In the automotive industry, assembly lines and painting robots are common sights. In electronics manufacturing, automated component placement and soldering enhance efficiency. And in the food and beverage industry, packaging lines and quality control systems ensure consistent product quality. The future of factory automation is exciting. With advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we will see intelligent systems optimizing processes and making decisions. The Internet of the Thing will connect devices, enabling real-time monitoring and control. And Industry 4.0, the digital transformation of manufacturing, will revolutionize the way we produce goods. Okay, that's it for today's video on factory automation. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of control and automation. See you next time.